Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install EndeavourOS on VirtualBox. First, download the EndeavourOS by going to Endeavour official website, that is Endeavour. See, if you scroll down, you have the ISO files download. But you can also click on this download. Both are same. See, the requirements are 2.5 gigabytes RAM, dual core processor, 15 GB hard drive space, okay, and also it supports legacy BIOS. So I have all the requirements. See, the latest version is EndeavourOS Galileo Neo 2024. Okay. See, here we have the two options, magnet or torrent. So this is the mirror list for Asia, Africa, and Europe and North America. Okay. So I am from India. So select this download. Click on download for ISO. See, download has been started. Go to downloads and its size is 2.6 gigabytes. Wait until this download completes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox, that is Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you want to install Oracle VM VirtualBox on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. VM, see, this is the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on it, click on new, or see, these are the list of the virtual machines. So to create new one, you have to click on new or select machine, then select new. Both are same. Click on new, then provide the name for the Endeavour machine. So I am giving EndeavourOS 2024. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on this drop down, click on other, create wherever you have any space. Create new folder EndeavourOS 2024 and hit enter. Select the folder. Now next ISO image. So click on this drop down, select other, then go to where you kept that, then select the downloaded ISO. See, this is the ISO, select it. See, version is, see, type is unknown, but select type as Linux. I don't think we have the Endeavour. Okay, so select Ubuntu. So click on next. Here we have to provide the memory. I am giving RAM as 4 gigabytes. Number of processors 1. You want to enable EFI, then check the checkbox. Otherwise, click on next. Hard disk size I am giving 100 gigabytes. Click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. Click on finish. See, still if you want to edit any one of these settings, right click on it, select the settings. You can change anything that you want. Okay, or click on the settings also. You got the same window. Even here also you will get the settings for the same virtual machine. Until now we have created virtual machine but not yet installed the EndeavourOS on Oracle VM VirtualBox. So click on start or right click, then select start, then normal start, or machine, then select start, normal start, or simply start. All three options are same. So click on start. Use up and down arrows and select, maximize it. Use up and down arrows. See, we have NVIDIA, fallback and other. Okay, I am going with the first one. So hit enter. It is up to you. See, this is the welcome window. If you want to use temporarily, you can close. But to install permanently, you have to click on start the installer. Click on it. See, we have the two types of installation methods, online, offline. If you select offline, it will install the updates. So internet connection is required for this online. Offline, no need to have the internet. So I am going with off. Later we can install the updates. So click on offline. It is up to you. Wait a couple of minutes. The installation will start. select the language and click on next. I'm okay with the American English, then click on next. See here we have to select the region on this globe. Suppose if you are from US, you can select on this globe. If you are from London, you can select here. If you are from Australia, you can select here. Okay, but I am from India, so or else you can select the region and you can select the zones from these drop down lists. Okay, so click on next. This is the keyboard layout. I am going with the default English US and default. I want to install grub loader, so keep this grub as on and click on next. Select the arrays and click on next. See, now here we have to provide the user to log into the EndeavourOS. So for login, here we have to provide full name. I am giving full name and login name also same. So this is the username, host name as EOS 2024. Then provide the password. See the checkbox, use the same password for the administrator account, which means root account. So keep the checkbox as it is, and this will be the password for the administrator account. Okay, so click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. If you click on install, this is the confirmation. Click on install, then installation will be started. See, installation has been started. This may take time. Okay, I will resume after this installation completes. After that, we have to restart this virtual machine. That I will show you post installation configuration. See, installation has been completed. Check the checkbox, that is restart now. Before that, you have to unmount this ISO file. Click on it, then select the remove disk from virtual drive. If you are unable to do that, you have to click on force unmount. Okay, otherwise it will restart the installation process. Or else you can stop it and restart it, and stop it and right click on it and remove it. Okay, then click on done. Now provide the password of the user after school. Hit enter. See, this is the after installation window. So if you want to update any one of them, you have to click on them. But at present I don't want, then close. So what I have done, just I have double clicked on it and again I expanded it. See, now we got the full screen. Now open terminal or console. See, this is the terminal. Even if you are unable to find here, click on application launcher, then click on system. See, here we have the terminal. Okay, or console, both are same. Or else you can search here also, terminal. See, we have the console. Click on it. More /etc OS-release. See, we have installed EndeavourOS and ID like Arch. To find the IP of this machine, you have to run ifconfig. Okay, this is the IP, but we have to set the IP. This is not the IP. If you want to stop, you have to click on this launcher, then shut down. If you want to restart, you have to click on restart. If you are not using, shut down it. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install EndeavourOS on Oracle VM VirtualBox. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.